Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today on our 03 Tundra we're going to show you how to change your air filter in the airbox. So if you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. Hood release on this Tundra is located on the driver's side, right at the knee panel. Has a picture of the hood. Pull on the cable. So the safety latch is located to the left of the symbol. You'll feel the lever right there. You push up on it. Lift your hood up. The air filter is located in the air filter housing on the passenger side of the engine compartment, and there's 4 clips. There are 3 push tabs. Just snap with your thumb. There's one back here, and then there is one with an actual handle on it. You push down on that and pull it aside. Now you can lift up cover the box, and there's your air filter. This has been recently changed. It's not that bad. A couple 100 miles maybe. On this model, there is no notch. Some cars will have like a flat notch here, and that has to go back in the same way. These are all 4 corners are the same. So, long side facing down. Place it in there firmly. Line up the cover, and you push on those tabs. When they bottom out, just push on the spring part. Clips up, and then this one, you're going to bring this tab down, latch it, and then pull up on that handle.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.